When we're talking KPIs and the best way to measure resident satisfaction, first of all, you need a major scoreboard. So you need to actually know your resident satisfaction score. And so making sure you have something in place that measures that can't be touched by humans. It's got to happen consistently. And you want to make sure that you've got at least a 20% engagement of getting a score for every service issue. So one of every five. Once you have that, that is the scoreboard that tells you how well or how satisfied your residents are and how not. The things that lead up into that. So the only things that can really impact your resident sat is how good, how well was the repair performed, like the quality of the repair. And then two, the other one that's really important is the speed at which it was performed. We found no better correlations than those two to resident satisfaction. And I'll go one layer deeper in there. If you're trying to go one further level, that speed really is a culmination of really your cycle time. So how fast from the time you got it to the time you got it dispatched, how fast from the time you got it dispatched that there was a scheduled date, and from that point, what's the lead time in actually getting the repair done. If you're looking at all those and paying attention to all those, you're going to have a good handle on your resident satisfaction score.